Good morning, second grade. Let's begin, as usual, with some phonogram review. All right, our first phonogram is ed-dit, past tense ending. What are you going to write? Very good. Write it and say it while you write it. This is our ed-dit, past tense ending. So if you didn't have that, go ahead and pause the video, write it 3 times, saying it while you write it, please, for your own sake, so you get these sounds or these spelling patterns in your head, and then we can start spelling. Thank you. All right, our next phonogram is ya, it, I, e. What are you going to write? Very good. Ya, it, I, e. Say it while you write it. All right, this is our ya, it, I, e. So 3 times if you didn't have that. All right, our next phonogram, we haven't really, I don't know if we've practiced this one since we learned it. Oh no, this phonogram is ooh. What are you going to write? Very good, ooh. All right, write it and say it while you write it. And if you don't remember, do a line below the baseline. All right, this is our ew. Ew. All right, so if you didn't have that, go ahead and write it 3 times. Thank you. Our next phonogram is g, 2-letter g, always followed by a vowel. What is it? Very good. Say it while you write it. All right, this is our g, 2-letter g, always followed by a vowel. You know what to do if you didn't have that. And I hope we're remembering to leave clock spaces and to underline any phonograms that are 2 or more letters. All right, our next phonogram is oo, oo. What are you going to write? Very good, oo, oo. All right, say it while you write it. This is our ooh, ooh. Our next phonogram is the of early. What are you going to write? Very good, the of early, and say it while you write it. All right, this is our the of early. All right, our next phonogram is aw, that we do not use at the end of English words. Class, what are we going to write? Good. Aw that we do not use at the end of English words. Write it and say it while you write it. This is our aw that we do not use at the end of English words. Class, why don't we use this aw at the end of English words? Exactly. English words do not end with you. All right. So if you didn't have that, write it 3 times. Right. Our next phonogram is ch, k, sh. What are you going to write? Excellent. Ch, k, sh. Write it and say it while you write it. All right, class, this is our ch, k, sh. All right, the next phonogram is, let's do a 1-letter one again. Our next phonogram is e. What are you going to write? Good, e. Say it while you write it. All right, class, this is our e. I know I kind of gave it away when I said 1 letter, but we've got a bunch of tricky phonograms that we just learned recently. So even though you might be thinking, oh, there's a lot I don't know, there's a lot you do. So don't forget that. All right, our last phonogram is, watch my mouth. All right, class, this is our All right. Excellent work with your phonogram review, class.